The Career Strategies team worked with the Ray C. Anderson Center for Sustainable Business to synthesize their valuable career advice and knowledge and increase visibility of the center by making information more readily available to students in the Georgia Tech community. To address this, our team conducted a survey of key stakeholders to ascertain their interest in sustainability careers as well as their information needs. We created an outline for a revised webpage and evaluated strategies to increase webpage traffic. We are excited to share a little bit more about our process. Our team includes 3 members, and each member will introduce themselves as they speak. My name is Sarah Dizade, and I am a second year business administration student from Roswell, Georgia. In order to make information and resources more readily available to students interested in sustainability careers, we developed a website outline that the center could use. This outline includes a page on career competencies for different business administration concentrations, example career postings, and opportunities for further learning on topics such as circular economy and equity and inclusion. Making resources more readily available for Georgia Tech students will hopefully increase awareness and interest in sustainability education and careers.
My name is Megan Embar, and I'm a fourth-year business administration student from Alpharetta, Georgia. Based on the survey we conducted, we heard directly from students what they wanted to see from the center in terms of career development and sustainability. One of the greatest factors that are dissuading students from pursuing a career in sustainability is earnings potential. It's a common misconception that jobs in sustainability are low paying, so it may benefit students to include examples of jobs and expected salary ranges. Students express interest in sustainable investing and ESG and want to see workshops such as sustainability investing, carbon accounting, and consulting with sustainability in mind.
My name is Hank Hudson, and I'm a first year business administration student from Wilmington, North Carolina. In order to increase web traffic, we also analyze components of the center's social media strategy, since social media interactions are a key way people are prompted to explore web pages. We reviewed the center's Instagram and LinkedIn pages and found some opportunities to increase visibility by changing some of the structural elements of the accounts, as well as the type and frequency of posts that could increase visibility and engagement. For example, we believe that a post aimed at business club members, such as offering prizes like a pizza party to the club that has the most new followers, could quickly increase viewership and awareness of the center's resources. As a key takeaway from this element of the work is that sustainability efforts can benefit from basic business skills such as marketing and analytical reviews. In closing, we would like to thank our clients, Chair Steve Lukens and Ariana Robinson, as well as our fellow ambassadors and fellows for their support and feedback.